Welcome to JH. The New Balance 530 has officially clawed its way back into the spotlight, and surprisingly, it's not just another desperate attempt at a retro comeback. Priced between $80 and $100, these sneakers prove that New Balance actually put in some effort for once. The comfort is almost suspiciously good for the price, featuring absorb cushioning that actually works, unlike those walking on air marketing lies we're usually fed. The materials are surprisingly sturdy, with a mesh upper that won't disintegrate after 2 months of light use. Even the traction is impressive. You can actually walk on a wet sidewalk without performing an impromptu, uncoordinated slip dance for the public's amusement. It captures that early 2000s aesthetic without looking like you're trying way too hard to be a TikTok influencer. Fashion bloggers are calling it a legitimate style choice, which is just a fancy way of saying they're finally wearing something that doesn't actually hurt their feet. These things are incredibly lightweight, so you won't feel like you're dragging around ankle weights all day. I spent hours trekking across campus, and the EVA foam provided solid stability without that mushy feeling that makes you feel like you're walking on wet sponges. Plus, they breathe well, effectively avoiding a swampy sweatfest situation during your commute. They're perfect for college students, people who stand all day, or that one friend who wants to look cool but is too sensible to drop $200 on hypebeast sneakers. Just a heads up, if you're planning to run a literal marathon, maybe look for something else. These are built for looking good while doing absolutely nothing athletic. They offer a luxury car experience at a reliable daily driver price point, which is a rare win in today's economy. If this breakdown helped you decide, hit like and subscribe for more weekly gear reviews. So are these a win or a pass? Drop a comment and let me know. See you next time.